If I've got the money in my account, I can afford it. Yeah. But my thing is, I once, I don't know if this counts.
Okay.
I once took a woman out on a date, right?
Okay.
And you know, honsa motomo dating, or wa mo impressa.
Yeah.
And then wa itse o setse ka bo ma 5 clipanya.
Yeah.
Ha fitla kwale o nya go order di plata tse dingwe tsa 350. And ka mo plata ya teng e santsane e shorta mo dimo. O sa duma di muzzles. Yeah. O sa nyaka di muzzles e hape.
It's got expensive taste.
Do you know what I'm saying? And then at the end of it, I had to call my homies and say, "John, that's like a 50 more." And then, even so,
Yeah.
she wasn't impressed.
What?
She still wasn't impressed that I didn't pay the tip. So I couldn't afford the tip. So she wasn't impressed by that. She's just like,
couldn't
"Why are
she
you
pay
such a
the tip?
cheapo?" Oh my word.
Why didn't she pay the tip?
You know, that's a question for her.
It's just 10%.
all mjita o rata o impressa o tlo ba mo problem
Yeah,
but I promise you
bothata ke bona.
I get level like movie too much. That's why every time we are kontlong ya motho o bone go di moving I've come when what would you like to drink o fetsa wena wa re cappuccino mara wa ngsukela ke na yona mara why no mputisa why would I like to drink cause don't you specify this is the first check na le ke tsore rooibos ba farase oros so le ladies o nyako ba impress tloela o tlhago ba isha di fancy restaurant o no motho re wine wa enwa a kere yela ya 40 rand ela wine ye wa enwa a kere
e nyaka yes.
it's rhetorical but
You know what you could do is when we say dating for budget. Everybody among le budget high. So okay, baby girl, go to the 500. Your budget for today is 250. 250 and less. That must be the drink and the food. 250 lo enough for it. And then why you two kids gonna come a little bit under that. Tip lo thing hona mo.
Yeah, bianong goodbye ka impressing.
Yeah, yola ka mkhowi.
Ano ga sa biano o ntshisa di calculator biano le. Ano level le di price le di calculator na le bokae.
Ano botlhogo yo ngo botsa gore broke ke motho mo broke. Yes. Okay, re na le broke ba ra o jaja.
It's Ngena Konke on the line. Yeah, man, I once bought a Kaizer Chiefs t-shirt for like 500. I couldn't afford the t-shirt at the time, so I had to take it on lay-by. But then I never wore the t-shirt. Because ever since I bought the t-shirt, Kaizer Chiefs has been playing bad. I even blame myself for buying the t-shirt because Kaizer Chiefs was playing well. And then I bought the t-shirt and then they started playing bad. And I couldn't even afford the t-shirt at that time, man. I spent my last money. So now I never wore the t-shirt because I feel embarrassed. Now I use the t-shirt to sleep, man. Because imagine now your team is playing bad, then you come out with a new t-shirt. Looks like you are supporting the way they play, man. They're never gonna improve. Because now they're hearing, hey, somebody just bought a new t-shirt, guys. So it means you guys are doing a great job. No, I don't want them to feel like that, man. They must know that they're...
Whoa!
Why would you say that on radio?
Right at the end, man. But you know what? I heard his point. Why would you take a Kaizer Chiefs jersey on lay-by?
Why would you get it?
Maybe Chiefs jisha go regular skipper.
And then away apart.
Ke yona taba ya o
Or
jiwa.
bala ka yona. Or bala ka skipa
Ka makhosi a maholo a renga.
Chiefs na le ngaka yona tloela go tsamaela le Chiefs di ngaka on behalf of Chiefs le tsamaya le ishe dikipa tsa lena kwa ba di tshela ka mishungwane. Anu yo jore a jiwa ka lebaka la lena. And o re ka skipa ka le ba isa Chiefs. And a skipper sa 500 ke fake re go botsa Chiefs a se 500 skipper.
Wa ke ra a se reka no. A se reka no. A re Chiefs kana go ila. Re thomelo tlala bed.
Before my Chiefs are bolaya. I don't know bolaya ona mo.
Come and grab a bite at Mamorena's Kitchen.